It starts with one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time.
Example 7. Sketch the following function for all real of x. State the domain and the range. The first function we have fx equal to x squared plus 6x minus 7. In order to sketch a quadratic curve, first you have to know the shape. S for shape, and then you have to know y-intercept. So let x equal to 0. You have to know the roots of the function. So what is the root of the function? And the last one, you have to know minimum or maximum point. For the first one, A, you have the function of fx equal to x squared plus 6x minus 7. Now, what is the shape of the graph? So you know that A is positive number or A greater than 0. So you will have minimum point. Now, y-intercept. So when y-intercept, you have to let x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, you'll get y equal to, substitute 0 into fx. So 0 to the power of 2 plus 6 multiplied by 0 minus 7. So you get negative 7. So you get the y-intercept of, at 0, 7. Now, x-intercept. X-intercept. Just let y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0 or fx equal to 0, so x squared plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. Then you just need to factorize this one. Equal to 0. X, and then 1 and 7. So negative 1 plus 7. So you get x equal to 1 and x equal to negative 7. So the x-intercept is equal to 1 and 0. And then the other one will be negative 7 and 0. Okay. Now, what is the minimum point? Okay. So minimum point, how to find minimum point? First of all, you have to perform completing the square. Okay. Completing the square, remember you have fx equal to x squared plus 6x minus 7. Solve this one using smart box. Okay, here will be x hat. What is here? You have to put b over 2. Now our b is equal to 6. So 6 over 2. Here 6 over 2. Or 6 over 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 3. Here we get 9. Now, so the completing the square form, you will have fx equal to here. Remember 6 divided by 2 actually equal to 3. So here equal to 3 as well. So you have x, okay, plus 3 to the power of 2. Okay, remember to minus 9. Okay, minus this bit. Minus 9 and then continue here minus 7. Just simplify. You will get x plus 3 to the power of 2 minus 16. Okay. So, next, we will sketch the graph. Okay, sorry, before that, what is the maximum or minimum point? So, we have minimum point. So, the minimum point, okay, minimum point is negative 3 and negative 16. Okay. Now, let's plot the graph. We go for the next slide. Okay, to plot the graph, so we have x and y axis. Here will be x, here will be fx or y. Now let's plot the graph. Okay. The first point is y-intercept at 0, 7. So where is 0, 7? 0, negative 7. Negative 7. Okay, the next one will be 1 and 0. So 1 and 0 somewhere here. The last point will be negative 7, 0. So negative 7, 0 should be here. So here just now we have 1. Okay, now where is the maximum or minimum point? So we have minimum point. Where is the minimum point? Okay, the minimum point negative 3, 16. So look at the graph. Negative 3, negative 3, negative 16. Okay, negative 16. So our graph will look like this one. Just cross the point to get the smooth parabola. Okay, now what is the domain of this quadratic curve? So the domain of the function will be from negative infinity to infinity. Okay, domain is a set value of x. Now, what is the range of f? Range, look at y-axis. So, y only can take value from inclusive negative 16 to infinity. So now we have our smooth and nice graph, the domain, and we have sketched the graph, the domain, and finally the range.